Hey guys, welcome to the club. Today we'll learn factors and multiples. So let's learn about factors and multiples. What exactly are factors? Factor. A number that is multiplied by another number to get a product are called factor. Example, 7 2s are 14. 7 and 2 are factors of 14. 14 is a target number. One more example. 6 3s are 18. 6 and 3 are factors of 18. Now, facts of factors. 1 is a factor of every number. Means 5 ones are 5. So 5 factor is 1 and 5. So every number is a factor of itself. A factor of a number is smaller than equal to the number. The smallest factor of a number is 1. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Means if 42 ones are 42. Now 42 is a factor of 42, so number itself is bigger, not bigger. It cannot be bigger. It can be small, but not bigger. It can be till number itself. A number has a limited numbers of factors. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. 1 and number itself. What exactly is multiple? A multiple is the product of a number when it is multiplied by other number. Example, multiples of 14 are 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70. So facts of multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. Means 1 3s are 1. 3's multiple is 1. Oh, sorry. No, every number is a multiple of itself. A multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number 1. The smallest multiple of a number is number itself. There is no largest multiple of a number. A number has an uncountable number of multiples. Types of number. Prime number. Prime numbers are special numbers that can only be divided by themselves and 1. Like 5. 5 ones are 5. Can be only divided by themselves. Composite numbers. A composite number is composed of more than one prime factor and can be divided by other factors as well as 1 and itself. Twin prime factor. It is defined as pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Twin prime factors are prime numbers which only one composite number in between. Example, 29 31 are an example of twin prime number. I also have an example, 13 and 17. Co-prime number. A set of numbers which do not have any other common factor than 1 are called co-prime or relatively prime numbers. This means those numbers whose HCF is 1. Example, 25 and 9 have no other common factor other than 1, so that they are co-prime number. Now, divisibility rules. If any number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in one's place, it's divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its all digits is a multiple 3 or divisible by 3. The number formed by the last two digits in a number is divisible by 4. The original number is divided by 4. The last digit of a given number is 5 or 0. Then such a number is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both is divisible by 6. The last digit of the given number should be multiplied by 2 and then subtract with the rest of the number, leaving the last digit it's divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits are divisible by 8. If the sum is a multiple of 9, or if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit of the number is 0. What is HCF? The highest common factor, HCF, of two or more numbers is the largest number that can divide the numbers without any remainder. Example, find the HCF of 16 and 12 by listing out the factors. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The common factors of 16 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. The highest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. So HCF is 4. Steps to get HCF. Find the factors of given numbers by prime factorization method. Write each number as product of its prime factors. Find the common factors and group them. Write the common factors and find the product. What is LCM? LCM, least common multiple. The least common multiple LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number that can be divided by the two or more numbers without leaving a remainder. Methods for finding LCM. By listing the multiples. List some multiple for each number until you are getting common multiples. Identify common multiples. Pick the least common multiples for the by prime factorization. Find the prime factors of each number by factorization. Identify and list the common and uncommon factors. Multiply the common and uncommon factors for getting the product. This product is LCM. This is the factor tree method. Now, what are the factors of 24? Factors are 12 twos are 24. Now 2 here and 12. Now what are factors of 12? Now 2 and 6. Now 2 here and what are factors of 6? Now 6 factors are 2 and 3. Now this is division method. 16, 28 and 40 is divisible by 2 because every 16 it ends with 6, which divisible by 2, and 8 divisible 2, and 40 0 is divisible by by this method we can find LCM and HCF. Okay. Now thank you. Please like and subscribe.